Today I'm going to show you how to make Chocolate Cornflake Millionaire Slices. For the chocolate cornflake base you will need 100 grams of cornflakes, 100 grams of milk chocolate, 50 grams of butter and 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. To a saucepan over a low heat, add your butter and your golden syrup and give it a really good mix until the butter is melted, and then add your chocolate and mix over a low heat until the chocolate is melted and well combined, and then take off the heat and add to your cornflakes and give it a really good mix until the cornflakes are well coated. Then to a pre-lined tin, mine was 7 by 7 inches or 18 centimeters squared. You want to line the tin with baking paper. I used a little bit of butter just to keep my baking paper in place. And you want to put your cornflakes into the bottom of the tin, just pressing down on the top just to compact them slightly. And then just pop this to one side. And then for the caramel middle, you will need 400 grams of condensed milk, 50 grams of caster sugar and 50 grams of butter. To another saucepan over a low heat, you want to add your condensed milk, your butter and your caster sugar. And you want to stir continuously while your caramel is on a low heat. And you want to stir continuously because if you don't, the caramel will catch on the bottom and it'll burn. A little bit of burnt bits isn't going to affect the taste too much, but if it's really burnt then you're going to have to try again. So like I say, just continuously stir it over a low heat, and then your caramel is ready once the sides of the caramel come away from the sides of the saucepan as you're stirring. So you'll see it's really thickened up, and yeah, as you're stirring, those sides of the caramel will just come away naturally from the saucepan sides. Take off the heat and then pour this on top of your cornflake base, just smoothing out as much as possible. And then for the chocolate top you will need 200 grams of milk chocolate and approximately 75 grams of mini eggs. So you want to melt your milk chocolate. You can do this in a bain-marie, which is a bowl over a saucepan of hot water. I prefer to do it in the microwave, so I pop my chocolate into a microwavable bowl, pop into the microwave for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it's just melted, and then just keep stirring until it's fully melted. And then you simply want to pour your chocolate layer on top of your caramel layer. Smoothing out, I like to shake and tap it, which helps just even out that chocolate on top. And then just top with your mini eggs. I put 2 mini eggs together because I was planning to cut it into 9 pieces, but you can have them however you want. And then just pop this in the fridge to set for an hour or so, just allowing that chocolate to set on top, and then cut into the size pieces you want. And there you have it. That's how you make Chocolate Cornflake Millionaire Slices.